Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chocolate frosting. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need softened butter, powdered sugar, cocoa powder, and a splash of milk or cream. Having everything measured and ready before you start mixing will make the process much smoother and ensure a perfect batch of frosting every time. This preparation step is key for a successful outcome. Now, let's start mixing. In a large bowl, beat your softened butter on medium speed until it's light and fluffy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, gradually add the powdered sugar, about 1 cup at a time, mixing well after each addition. Remember to scrape down the sides of the bowl often to ensure everything is fully incorporated into a smooth base. Next, it's time to add that wonderful chocolate flavor. Sift your cocoa powder directly into the butter and sugar mixture to prevent lumps. Then, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk or cream. Mix on low speed until the cocoa is incorporated, then increase to medium speed and beat until the frosting is smooth and creamy. You can add more liquid, a teaspoon at a time, if it's too thick. Finally, let's perfect the consistency. Beat the frosting on medium speed for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. This helps make it extra light and fluffy. If your frosting is too thick, add a teaspoon of milk or cream. If it's too thin, add a tablespoon of powdered sugar. Continue adjusting until you reach a smooth, spreadable, and pipeable texture that's perfect for your treats.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.